Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you create a quick utility which will generate random passwords for using Python. So I am on my VS Code, and the very first thing we need is we need to import the required package. So let's go ahead and say import random, because this is the package which we are going to use. Then we need to declare all the characters which we want to be the part of our password. So let's name a variable alphabets, and inside this I will provide all the possible alphabets which we want to use as a password. So let's put all the characters of your alphabet. Okay, here are the 26 letters, and if you want to include small case or lowercase, then also we can add it here itself. So let's do that also. So let me tap in here. And Z. Okay, so these are the alphabets. Next thing is, what all digits are you interested in? If you want digits to be the part of your password, then you just provide all the possible digits over here. So I'm going to give all the digits starting from 0. Okay, next thing is, do you want to include any special characters? If yes, then we need to define those here. Special characters, so you can, I will just take few. At the rate, we can go for hash, ampersand, and let's go with star and %sign. So these are the things which we are expecting in our newly generated password. Now next thing is, we need to create a single string which holds everything. So for that, I'm going to create a variable all characters, and inside this we will simply say alphabets plus digits plus special characters. Now we have single string holding everything here. Next thing we need to do is we need to provide the length of the password. What is the length? So I'm going to define the length, password length. Let's make it as 12. Okay, so once the password length is defined, the only thing which we need to do is we need to use random and make a call to the sample function. So that's pretty straightforward, and we can do it using along with join. So inside join, we'll say random dot sample, and inside this we will pass two parameters. The first one is the possible characters which we want to include, and second one is the length of the outcome. Okay, so we are almost done. Let's go ahead and print this out. Okay, I will save this and run it. So you can see that in the terminal random password is generated. If I will run it again, you can see that this time something else is appearing. So whatever or how many number of clicks you are doing, based on that you are getting some random number, and these are the characters which are nothing but the combination of what we have defined over here. So if you have any other combinations or the letter which you want to include, just add it here and this password generator will take it off. So that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this short utility, and thanks for watching.